My people, I greet you. Ghana, I love you. Smallest time, oh, smallest time, oh, smallest time, oh. Charlie, today what I won't give you, it will make you happy, it will make you sad, it will make you, it will make you do even yawa. Do you understand? But I don't want you to do yawa. Do you know this girl? Don't you remember Miss Bell? I be 16 years, I'm gonna be daddy so if you touch my Tino, my Tino, my Tino. They say Miss Bell do yawa. Oh Charlie, Miss Bell, why you do so? Don't know the truth of the matter, but we hear say Miss Bell allegedly says that Stacy is HIV positive, and come on, it doesn't make sense. It's not something that we have to joke about it. Seriously, I won't talk about it again, but it doesn't make sense. Stacy is taking a legal action against Miss Bell, and I think it's a smart move. Seriously, those type of things, they are not funny. Do you understand? And come on, I can't talk much about this thing, but I think Stacy is using her beautiful mind and doing the right thing. Stacy, you are on the right path. Big ups to you. Big ups to you because you're a family woman, a well-respected woman. You have a well-respected husband and a noble family. Don't lose God. Keep on doing what you're doing. People will say shit, but hey, don't give a Menka de twice. No, I say. Let's go to the next one. Papano again. Yeah, Papa John Dramani Mahama. He said that when the NDC comes to power, he will not rush and do new things, but he will continue the work that the previous administration was doing. But I don't bad. See, NDC came to power, Kufuor's affordable housing, they left it there. And Kufuor also came. What Mahama was doing, he left it there. Now, see the schools. See these schools. These schools, they there and read, Emura, and Emily school, no. So, are they helping us? Are they telling us the truth? Or they want to tickle us for us to vote for them? I don't trust politicians. So, it's not only Papano, either MPP or NDC. I don't trust them. Hey, Rade Yankofo. This is Ahonfe Patricia. See, I was going through my Instagram today and I was like, let me check out on Ahonfe Patricia because it's been a long time. Make Ahonfe Patricia the picture boy. The pictures that is showing the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, but the Holy Spirit, this girl was able to cover the Holy Spirit. She said, do you believe in magic? Ahonfe Patricia, the things that you are showing us is even magic itself. It's shaking something. See, some are watching me. This thing is not working. Immediately saw this magic. You feel me? So definitely we believe in magic, my sister. Show us more. Hey, next time, remove everything and show us. God will bless you. You are saving lives, my sister. You are saving lives. Ahonfe Patricia, let's talk next time, okay? News indoors, man. Junior high school students are in heaven. They are feeling good. Could you believe that now they are serving them hot meal once every day? Hot meal, jollof. Jollof. See the jollof they are giving to these students. Our time, we didn't get those jollof. They are tabering the government. They will be saying, this thing you gave us, there's no chicken. But we can see chicken there. There is no egg. We can see the egg there. The rice is too small. See plenty rice where these students are eating. You can imagine. So please, when you finish eating, be grateful to your president. And I know this is the last time. So pray that you never complete school. If you complete school today, you go back and eat gari. You go back and eat gari. Students, go your way, make I continue my news. Kumericans! Say that the next year, Charlie, your passport and everything is ready. Kumerican, we have our own passport. United States of Asante, we have everything. So those who don't have the passports, you can inbox me. If you want to be a citizen of Kumasi and you are not from Kumasi, it's simple. Just see these young boys and marry one, even date one. If you date one guy in Kumasi, you get passport free. Our passport can travel all over the world except Kosovo. That's the only country that we can't travel to. So our doors are open. If you want work permit, we can give you work permit. If you want visit from Accra to Kumasi, we can do it. Our doors are open. But if you want to be a passport holder, you have to marry an Ashanti man. Because we are from the United States of Ashanti. Me, I'm from Manhattan. Old time ago. So I'm done with the news today. See, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave your comment below. The next video that I should do, tell me, I'll do it for you. It's your boy, Mr. Stuba. But don't forget to get your American passports and visa. Peace!
I love
every day what is 3 years talking. That bro shit, now shit. It just for my new idea, me drop it.